In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a watermark to your PDF documents. So what you need to do is head over to an internet browser and just type into the search engine add watermark to PDF and hit enter. Then if you scroll down slightly, you need to head over to this website ilovepdf.com and click this, and then just select the PDF file that you want to upload. So I'll be uploading this file here, so we're going to double click on this, and once your PDF's uploaded, you're then able to add the watermark. Now you can either place some text as your watermark or you can place an image. It's entirely up to you. So I'm just going to write here watermark, and then you have some different styling options as well. You can change the font family. You can also change the color of the font, as well as some effects like bold and italics. Then using the graph over here, you can decide where to place your watermark, so we can have it directly in the center of the PDF, or you can check this box here for mosaic, and that way it's going to place your watermark all throughout the document like so. Alternatively, you can decide to place an image as well as a watermark. Now this is probably the best method of actually making watermarks. So what you can do here is add your own image, and once you've uploaded your image, again you can choose between either mosaic or a fixed position on the screen. And then probably the most important feature on this tool is this transparency option. Here you're able to set the different transparency levels for your image. So typically for a watermark you'd have some sort of transparency on the logo or the brand image. So I'm going to set mine to 50%. And finally, once you've filled in all of these steps, you can just click on add watermark, and then just give that a few seconds while it generates your PDF document. And once it's finished, we can just click the download PDF button, and that should end up in this downloads folder over here. So now we're going to open up the document. So as you can see, we now have our PDF document with our watermark attached. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.